Hi guys, welcome back to Zero to Hero web design course. My name is Femi Oye from Digital Creative Concept. In this video, I will teach you how to create a blog or a news website. We are going to be using a stone to kill two birds in this video. What is a blog? What is a news website? They are both the same thing. You can actually use them interchangeably. Let me show you some few things on my slides before I move straight to my WordPress admin dashboard. A blog is an online journal. The most important thing is it's a platform where a writer or a group of writers share their views on an individual subject. Let me now tell you the difference between a blog and a news website. For a blog only talks about a particular niche. If you see a blog, it could be talking about just health. Another blog could be talking about just entertainment. Another one, just sports. That's what blog is. But for a news website, everything goes. Sports or entertainment or health or whatsoever is the news, it comes on a news website. But for a blog, it's restricted to that particular topic, health or whatsoever topic you choose as your niche. That's the difference. But when it comes to the layout of the website, coming to the template, the structure, it's the same thing. So this is what we're going to do. So if you watch this video very well and you understand what is there, you will be able to build a news website or a blog. Then there are two things also that you should know. There's something called themes or templates. What does themes or templates do? Themes is just like themes is like, we always template. It's just an English word. Template is something that helps you to build on something. You have a template already. It means you are not working from scratch anymore. Some key things has been done already. All you need to do is just to build on it. So it's just like when you buy a land that has the foundation already and you love the foundation. All you need to do is just to build on that foundation. So that's what template is. So we'll be using templates to develop this the blog website or the news website. We are going to be importing a theme into our WordPress website, and after importing the theme, we will start editing it. That is just it. It's as simple as that. Then plugins. If you look at this place, it said install plugins to add new site functionality. No, plugins is that particular thing that drives every WordPress website that you see. Whatsoever you want to do on the WordPress, there is a plugin that helps you to do it. For example, you have a post and you want to duplicate the post. You don't want to start doing it all over again. You have to install a plugin. You want to reset your WordPress, you install a plugin. You want to edit, you want to create a sidebar, you install a plugin. You want to create a form, a plugin. So that is how it is. So there are times that when you install the template will install the plugins once and for all the plugins that you will need. So that is just that about plugins. It extends functionality on WordPress website. So that is that about the few things you need to know. If there is any other thing you need to know, you will know about it as we move on. So I want to log in now to my WordPress admin backend. Yes, now this is my WordPress. This is my WordPress front end. This is the front end. This is my website. If you remember the domain I created on profihost.com, so I deliberately use this domain to show you that it's very okay. You can, if you don't have money to create a domain at the moment, you can use it and work with this. So this is the one I created. So now I want to log in to the back end to start working on our website. So yeah, this is this is domain / WP admin. That is a URL to log into your WordPress admin backend. So if your domain is whatever your domain is /WP admin, if you install in a directory, that means you have something here that will be / whatever you put in the directory /WP admin. So please take note of that. So I'm logging into my admin backend now. Now I want to log into my admin backend now. I've input my username, I've input my password, then I click on login. Now I'm logged on to my admin WordPress admin backend. You can see, so if you scroll down, you can see that everything is on a clean slate. So you too, I want you to log in now. You can log into your backend and do yours as I'm doing mine. So the first thing you must do when you log into your backend is come to this place where you have your username. It's showing your username here. You click on edit profile. Click on edit profile. There are some editing that you need to do in that place. So there's some editing you should do in this place. Come here. Whatever I didn't tell you to touch, just don't touch it. You know, this thing is perfect on its own. It's only the things you need to change that you need to change. Do you understand? So this is if you want to change this, for example, you can't change the username from here. If you want to change the nickname that is showing here, you can change it, but I don't need to change that. Then this is the website address. If you have an image, a picture you want to put, you can change it here. Then if you want to change your password, you can change your password here. Then you click on update. You know, I didn't change anything, so I don't need to change an update. Then if you want to change the way this place looks, you can change it. You can change it here. So it depends. When you click on save, it will change. So that's just about, let's leave it at default. So let me click on save. Another thing that we want to do now is you go to settings. When you click on settings, then you come to permalinks. I want you to open it in a new tab so that we can reserve this page. Come to permalinks. So this is the page now. If you look at this, day and name was checked, which means anytime you create a post, you know, a blog is all about a post. We're going to be creating posts. So anytime you create a post, it's going to be appearing like this: the name of the website, the year, the month, the date, then the name of the post. But that is not very good. So what you should do is come to post name, then you check the box. That is what you need to do there. Then you can come, there's no other thing. You look around, there's no other thing to do here. Then you click on save changes. Click on save changes. So then you come to general. You come to general, click on general. So you can, if you want to change the site title is DCC Market, the best online blog on digital marketing. I know, the best online blog, or the best, let me just use where the news breaks. Where the news breaks. So that is that. If you want to, you can look, check date format. I think we are okay with this. Time format, we're okay with this. We'll start on Monday. If you want to change to Sunday, you can change it to it. Then you click on save changes. So if you click on save changes, we've done some basic settings now that we need to do. The next thing is to install our theme. So when you want to install a theme, where you go to is you go to appearance, and when you go to appearance, it will bring some other sub menus. You will see themes, then you will click on themes. So I want us to open it in a new tab. And delete this one. So the themes are coming up. So these are the basic themes that we have on this page. So if you look at these ones, they are not beautiful. They are not going to give us what we need. In fact, we want to create a blog or a news website. This template does not look like a blog or a news website. So what we are going to do is you are going to come to this place and click on add new. Click on add new. So it will bring up this page. So at the moment, this is what is on the page. You know, you saw this hello world. So at the moment, this is what is, that's what is installed. That's why it's showing installed. So but now we want to install a new template. So you come here, search for color mag. So this is the color mag, and this is the template we are going to be using for our website. Let's look at preview. Let's preview it and see how it's going to look like. Preview it. Okay, let's preview it. So this is a preview of how it looks, but it's not showing the way I wanted it. So but let's just go back and do the necessary things that we need to do. So click on add new. Then like I said, search for color mag. Search for color mag. So this is it. So what we want to do now is to click on install. So click on install. Is installing. So after installing, it will tell you to activate. So next thing we need to do is activate. So I want to activate it now. Click on activate. So when it's activated, you can see the message welcome, thank you for choosing color mag. To fully take advantage of this, of the best of our team can offer, please make sure you visit our welcome page. So you can click on this, you will see documentation and all that. So the next thing is to click on this so that we can install the theme grid demo importer. If you look at this domain very well, I have to switch back to my paid domain. The free domain is giving a lot of problems. You know, those are the limitations that I talked about earlier, that if you are getting a free domain, you might have some limitations here and there. So if you are using free domain, you might have to look for a theme that will work with that domain. It's the same principle, so just follow it. So the next thing to do is to click on get started with color mag so that we can activate the demo importer. So please click on it. So can you see now that it has shown us all the pages available? So these are all the various templates available on ColorMark. And if you look at it, you can see Pro on these ones. The Pro version means you would have to register on ColorMark website, make payments for their Pro account, then you'll be given license key, so you'll be able to use all this Pro version. But this free one is okay for us, it's good enough for what we want to do. There's no much difference between these and this, so why am I paying in the first place? So let's just go with this. So the next thing you do is you click on import, so that this old website can be imported on your WordPress website. So click on import. So you will see importing demo data will ensure that your site will look similar as Team Demo. It makes you easy to modify it, blah blah blah. Then you click on confirm. So it's importing already. It takes some time. Yes, no. So now it is imported. You can see here imported. So that means, so if you come to this place, if you want to be sure that it has been imported, come to post here, go to all posts, then open it in a new page. You should be able to see all the posts. Can you see now? Can you see now? Which means the old website has been imported. So we have all the posts here. Do you understand? You can even check the the categories. Let's also check categories. That's how to show, how to see if the website has been imported. So let's see. Can you see now? These are all the categories on that website. Categories is like, let me explain categories. For example, if you go to ShopRite, there is a place for electronics, there is a place for fruits, there is a place for beverages, just like that. So it's easier for you to get to buy what you want, whatever you want to pick. It's easy for you to pick it, and you should not be looking for electronics in the fruit section. Do you understand? So the same thing with news website or blogs. There are always categories. So whatsoever you are looking for, you just search for it and it will take you directly to where it is. So that means our template has been successfully imported. So this is this. So we can do a live preview. Let's see if we can preview. Let's see if we can preview it. Let's see how our website is going to look like. So this is a preview. Can you see how beautiful this is? Can you see how beautiful this is? Can you see now? So everything has been imported. Now it's time for us to start editing our website. We've confirmed now that our theme or template has been imported. So one thing that you will see, I want to show you also, is you have to be shuttling between two pages. This is our WordPress admin backend. If you want to install plugin, you have to come to this place. If you want to do something on the menu, you might come to this place. If you want to do something on the appearance, you have to come to this place. You want to create posts, you have to come to this place. Then another place is, if you click on this ColorMark, I think I still need to go and change that website name. We'll still change it. So it's showing ColorMark. So we have to switch in between this place and the backend. So that is that. So those are the two ways. But let me see. Let me just go back to the dashboard. So we have the two open at the same time. So this is our WordPress admin. So we are going to be working on both this place and this place. So let's do. So the first thing that we should do when we get to this place is, this is the logo of this website, and what you are seeing here is an ad. These are the social media icons. This thing you are seeing here is called the header. This is called the header. And from this from after that header, from this place down to this place is the body of the website, and from this place down is the footer of the website. So we are going to be editing from the top to bottom. So to start editing, we first look at this. You click on customize. Click on customize to start our editing. So now it has brought us to this page. So the first thing that we want to do is to click on global. You know, everything you are seeing on this page, it's a function of what you are seeing there. If you click on this, for example, now if you want to edit this, you can click this. So let's start like that. Let me click on this. You can see now it's showing this. So we want to change this to our own logo. That's how to edit templates. So we want to change this to our own logo. What we'll do now is, then another thing that you must know is, whatever you are removing here, the image you are bringing in must be of the same size. Yes, they must be on the same size. So how do you know if they are of the same size? You have to download this image. When you download it, then you check the size and you see what size it is. So let me say I've downloaded it already. Let me see if I have it. So after downloading it, you will just mouse your cursor upon it. Then you will click on file info, depending on whatever photo editor that you are using. For my own, it's showing dimensions 265 by 90. So the image you are bringing in must be 265 by 90. Yes, so that means you must know how to use a photo editor, maybe Fireworks, Illustrator, Photoshop, CorelDRAW, anyone. So you have to have a little idea of it. So the image you are making in is 265 by 90. So take note of that. We are back here. So I want to change the logo. I already have the logo that I want to use. It's on my system already. So let me see. I know. So I'll go to my system to pick my logo. So yeah, this is my logo. So I click on it. My logo is uploading. So you can see it now that it has finished uploading, and it has said select. But you can also give your logo a name. Logo, just type logo there. Then you click on select. It's saying, do you want to crop? I don't want to crop it. Skip cropping. So can you see automatically my logo has been updated? Do you see that? So that is okay by me. So we will come back to these ones later. So anything you do, you click on publish. Click on publish. Then the next thing is this image, and that's the image you are seeing there. It's called Fave Icon. It's called Fave Icon. So you need to change it to your home. Also, you need to download it just like I said, just like you did for the first one, and look at the size. Then make sure your own is of that same size. So I have my own already, and I will upload it now. So I go to my files on my system, select my favorite. This is my favorite icon. I'll click on it. It's uploading, so I name it favor icon. So I click on select. So automatically you can see that this has changed. My favor icon has changed to this. So that is that. Then you scroll. In fact, it is even telling you already. See, 512 by 512. So it's telling you already what the size is. So you don't need to download the second one then. So that is that. Then you come here saying site title color mark. That is the color mark that you are seeing there. Let me show you. I'll come back. The site title color mark. The site title is not color mark. I want to call it news websites, or is it news blog? I will call it. Just call it one name. That's what you need, is how to do it. It's not about the name. So tagline will always break the news. I think that is fine by me. So he said choose the option that you want. Header logo only. That is, this logo will be here, or it's saying header text only. Let's see if you choose header text. Let's see how it will look like. Try and see how it looks. Can you see it removed the logo, but it's not looking good? So, or show both is not looking good. So, but this is the best option. Just leave it that way. Most of these things, leave it the way it is. All you need to do is edit whatever you don't want. Edit whatever is not your content. That's the best that you should do. So we've done all that. You click on publish. So the next thing I think we should start doing is we will come back to the header very soon. We don't need so much header like this. We are going to delete some and all that. So but let's go to the posts and the categories. We are going to delete some and I'm going to leave some. So go back to your WordPress dashboard. If you understand, go back to your WordPress dashboard, or you can click on this. Like I said, you can click on this to shuttle between your front end, this page, and your backend. If you click it back, it will go back to your backend. So that's that. So now let's look at all the posts. Click on post, click on all posts. So we are going to see all the posts there. So these are all the posts that is available. So we want to delete all these posts and start creating our own. So what you will do is click on title. You don't want to start deleting one by one or selecting one by one. So all you need to do is just click on title. It will select everything, but I want you to leave two. The first two, leave it out. So you click on bulk actions there. What do you want to do? You want to delete them. Move to trash. Then you click on apply. So it will delete all the selected posts. So click on apply. So we still have some left. Can you see? We still have some left. So the next thing we want to do is click on title again. Leave these two out. The reason why I want us to leave these two out is we are going to use it to start creating ours, so that we don't start doing it from. I'm going to be using the content. I'm not going to be looking for content up and down. It's just for us to see how it works. So I've unchecked these two. Then you go to bulk action, go to move to trash, then you click on apply. So now we have just two posts on this page. So if you check it, if you click on it to check back, you can see now that all those posts are gone. Even the one that is showing up here on that slide, it has gone. These ones, it has gone. Yes, so we are now going to start creating our own post from scratch. And let me explain what you are seeing here. I told you about categories, which you will understand later as we move on. There's a category called latest. So any post I put under the latest category, they will be showing here. It will start showing here. It will be showing here. It will be showing here. Do you understand? And this place is called the featured area. Featured area. So 4 images, 4 posts are going to be there. So the latest 4 posts are going to be, take this place, the ones you selected. I will show you how to select and put them under feature. So whatever you select and put under feature, they are the things that will be showing on this page. So let's go to start creating our, but let's also check categories. So let's also check categories. Under your post, you go to categories. I want you to open it in a new tab. So you can see all the categories available. It's too long for me. It's too much. I don't want too much category. So I have the categories I want is just health, entertainment, sports, technology, latest, and featured. So I'm going to delete every other one. So click on this. I'm going to uncheck entertainment. I'm going to uncheck featured. I will uncheck health. I will uncheck latest. I will uncheck sports. I will uncheck technology. So I will delete the rest. So come to bulk action, select delete, click on apply. So these are the categories. So we still have one that I don't want, which is WordPress. Then come here, click on delete and click on apply. So these are the categories that I wanted. This uncategorized, if you create a post and you didn't put it under any category, it will be placed under uncategorized. So that's why you have this. Then in case probably after your blog has started running, you want to create another category, all you need to do is you come to category, come to this place, put the name. Let's say we want to create fashion category. You click on fashion, then slug. When you see slug is just the URL friendly version. So it's just like a small letter, small case version. Do you understand? Parent category. The reason for this parent category is, let's say you want to put that fashion under entertainment, then you will select this. So the fashion will be under entertainment category. But I don't want to put it under anyone. Just put none. Then you can put prescription. Just put anything you want. Put fashion. Then you click on add new category. So automatically fashion has been added. So what I will do is I want to delete it. I don't want it. So we click on delete. So now, if you go back to our front page, this is now what we have. But I want to work on just 3 categories. I don't want fashion. I think I deleted fashion before. So I don't want fashion. Technology, I will delete it. News, I will delete it. I will just work on 3 basic categories. So if you want to do anything on this page, like I said, you click on customize. So let's click on customize. Oh my internet. So when you click on customize, it will bring you to this page. So you can either edit from this place or you edit from this place. these things that is showing like pencil is showing you that you should edit. You can edit. So I want health, I don't want fashion. So if I click on this, please follow me, click on this icon. So fashion, I don't want fashion. I want to change fashion to entertainment. So remove fashion, change it to entertainment, because the reason is, if you look down there, I'm not seeing entertainment here anymore. So, and it's part of my category in the other. So let me show you, so that we can, hold on. So you change it to entertainment, then you come here and click on done. So this place has changed to entertainment automatically. This one is sports, so you can leave it like that, sports. Then this pencil, this one here is for the latest this, if you click on it, let's see how it looks like. It's on the latest. So any post that you put under latest category will be showing in that place, like that one we are seeing before. So we have only 2 posts. If you want to, you can increase it to maybe 4 or 3. Let's increase to 3. Then you can click on done. So, but let's just move on and start creating our post. That is the most important thing. So if you want to start creating our posts, we come back to our WordPress admin page. Then you click on post, then you click on all posts. So let's move. So I will create a new post first. So after creating the new post, I will start duplicating the ones that we've created, just to be a bit fast. So let me show you how to create a post. When you go to click on post, you click on post and you click on all posts, or you click on add new, it will take you directly to where you will create the post. If you click on all posts, it will show you all the posts that you have already. So I clicked on all posts, that's why it brought me here. So you click on add new, click on add new. So my first post, I want it to be about health. So let's just say aftermath of coronavirus pandemic. So that's the post. So this place is where you write the so you type the articles there. You know, if you are building your blog, you would have sat down, create your articles. Don't copy and paste. You know, it's not good for your website. Google might flank your website and you'll bring it down. So, but because of we are just practicing, I'll just type coronavirus and I'll just duplicate as many times as possible. Copy. Oh boy, paragraph. No. Aftermath of coronavirus pandemic. So I just want to copy this and so that is that about that. So you have put the contents now. The next thing is you need to click on post here. Click on post. We don't need to change the font size and all these ones. Don't need to change it. So click on post to set some important things. So obviously this will be under health, and we'll also put it under latest. That slider that is showing. So it's going to be under latest. So the next thing is we need to set an image for that post. So we click on this place. Because it's a new post, that is the reason why you have to leave one of the posts to know the size of the image that you are going to upload. Or I already know the size that I'm uploading is 1280 by 853. So the image you are replacing must be the same dimension with the one you remove. Do you understand? So this is this, but I want to show you how to adjust the image now, but I will show you later. Let me just go through this. So you put the image. So the image is there now. Look for, is there any other thing we need to do? Pending review, stick to, just leave it, publish. Then you click on publish. Then you click on publish again. So automatically that post has been published. So you can come here to see if it has been published. Let's just, okay, come here, let's see. So click on this, let's see if it has been published. So we can see now that this post is already appearing under the health category and also is appearing under the slider here, which is the latest post. So let's move to the next post. So click on this to go back to your dashboard. So for our next post, we are going to be duplicating this. So we won't be creating it over and over again. So what you just do is duplicate this one. So it will duplicate it, so you can see draft. So it's this one that we are not going to edit. So I want you to click on it, open it in a new tab. So now it has opened. We've created a post under health. Let's create another post under entertainment. Then the next one will be under sports. Let's do it like that. Grammy Awards. Burna Boy wins big. I think that's cool, right? So it's not under health, remove this, it's under entertainment and latest. So you come here, you need to change the image. So this is the image, I have it already. So check every other thing. You can see here that we already this. Make sure that this URL is the same with what you are seeing here. So is there any other thing we need to change? Then you click on publish and publish again. So maybe we should check and see if there is any change on our website. So another post on the entertainment part. So this is supposed to be showing entertainment. I think I changed it the other time. Please, let's change this to entertainment very fast. We click on customize. Fast. So it's showing fashion, but it's what entertainment is what. So you click on this pencil icon to edit it. It's showing fashion, but I want entertainment. then it said so it's showing entertainment, so you can click on done, then you click on publish. So now we have our second post. So let's go back. Let's do the third. If you refresh this, so you can close this. So we have two. So let's do the third one. So let's duplicate this one. Duplicate this. So let's edit it in a new tab. So this is going to be sports. So add the title. Manchester United. Manchester United return imminent for Ronaldo. Manchester United return imminent for Ronaldo. So this is going to be under sports, and you remove it from entertainment, so it's going to be under sports and latest. Then we'll click on this to change the image. I have the image of Ronaldo on my system, so I will select where is this, or where is Ronaldo? Where is Ronaldo? Okay, this is Ronaldo. Then I will upload it. Then I'll click on this. So the image is there. Let's look at any other thing that we need to change. You can see the URL is the same thing as this. Any other thing? Visibility is public. View public. Then so the next thing is to click on publish. Very simple to do. Just follow whatever I'm doing. So let's check our website and let's see if this has been updated. Click on it. So Ronaldo is on the page. So like I said, if this were to be a blog, we are just going to be talking about maybe health, different things on health. So if you look at these two, the Ronaldo this thing is not showing under sports, and I put it under sports. So I need to click on customize. Let's see what's happening there. Click on customize. So this is sports. Let's check what could be the problem. So it's showing sports. Select category sports. So that's why it's not showing. That's why it's not showing. Can you see now that it's showing now? So that is it. You just have to be creative whatever you are doing. So you click on done, then you click on publish. So now we have 3 posts already. Abby, so we have 3 posts already, and they are showing on this place already. So let me click post one more. So I will make them featured posts so that they can appear on this place, so that this place can look good. Do you understand? So I want to create one more post now. After that one more post, I am going to go offline and I will create the remaining posts. I have four posts for each category. So I will create the remaining posts because time will not permit us doing it one by one, all the posts. So let me just create one more, then I will go offline and create every other one. Then I will see you in the next video. So let's create one more post. Yeah. So I want to create one more post. Let's see. Let's make it under health. Let's go back to health. Duplicate this. So we edit it in a new page. So edit the title. I want to talk about infant mortality reduced by 40% in 2020. So we're talking about health. You can put it in latest. So we click on this to select our image. I think I have an image uploaded already. Yes, this is infant mortality. I'll put infant here. And set featured image. What else? What else? Click on publish. Click on publish. So let's check our posts. We can just check from here. So you can see now we have one more post there. So you can see now. So what I want to do now is to set the featured image, since we have up to 4 posts now on this page. So I will set those 4 as a featured image. Then I will pause this video, upload more posts, then we will end this video. So for us to set the featured area, you click on post and it will bring you here. Then you select them. We have 4 here, so just click on this. As in we have plenty, you just select the 4 that you want to be on the featured list. Then you come to bulk action, you click on edit and you click on apply. So it will bring this page. So you click on featured. You want all these 4 to be on featured, so you click on updates. So if we refresh our website now, those 4 posts should be showing on the featured. Can you see now? Our blog is taking shape already. Can you see? So you can see that this is looking very beautiful. So what I will do now is I will go offline, upload more posts, then I will come back to conclude this video. Yes, if you look at this now, you can see that this is looking more beautiful. I've uploaded some other posts. Under health we have 4 posts now. Then other entertainment we have 3. Under sports we have 4. So I want to upload one more under entertainment. Then this health is looking some. I want one more here so that it will look perfect. Do you understand? So I will upload one more under health and one more under entertainment. So let's do that very fast. So entertainment. So let me duplicate this. So I'll click on edit, then I'll open it in another tab so that this page can still be there. So the title of this one is, there's a gospel choir that won gospel choir won gold in Australia. Yes, that's the title. So it's under entertainment, latest. Then now the image, I don't have the image yet. I've not resized it, so I need to resize the image. So let me go to my Adobe Illustrator, remove this one that I've done. So this is the size of that page. So I will bring in my image now, click on place for Adobe Illustrator. Then so this is my these downloads. Let me look for the image. Soweto Gospel Choir. Okay, that's the image. So that image is not fine. I think it's a PNG image, so it's not working fine. I will just bring any image so that it can serve the purpose I want. So just look at what I'm trying to do. Saturn, I'm trying to do image. Let me look for my stock photos. Stock photos. Okay, these stock photos. And just pick this one, just to serve that purpose. So I just want to show you how to resize your image in the okay, let me show you very well. New, this is new. You come to new, then you come to this place, then you set it to 1280 by 853. That is the size of the image we are removing. So you click on OK. So you give you this, then you, to bring in the image, you click on file, then you click on place, then you go to where your picture is, then you select it. That's what I just did, and that's what I did. So that's what I did here. So I want to download it now. You go to save for web, then you leave it as JPEG, then you come to save, then you save it to where you want it to be. And you save it. So that is that. Then the final one under health. Let me look for just any image under health. And just put it so click on save for web, click on save. Right. So quickly, that is that. So quickly, I want us to create the two posts, and I want to end this video right away. So go to upload, select file to take you to where your image is on your system. This is mine, and this is the one I just uploaded. Open, then wait for it to upload, and click on set featured image. So that is that. Then click on publish and publish again. So that is that. Then finally the fifth post under health. So if you refresh this one should change to the last one we just uploaded. So that is that. So finally the last post now, which is on health. So you come and duplicate this one. Let it still load in. So duplicate this, open. So you come here, you click on edit, then come here, click on edit, open in a new link, in a new tab. So that's the final one on health. So let me just write something. Not really. Children are placed together. Have balanced mental health. I don't know. I just, because that image is about children, so let me just use that. Forgive me if I'm wrong. So you are familiar with all these already. So I'm looking for the image. This is the image. Open. Wait for it to load. Then click on set featured image. So click on publish, then publish again. So now let's go and check our website again. You know, this is how it is before. So now we should have the third one here. We should have another one under else. So now we have this one. We have this one now. So we have this. Then under else, you can see that the recent one that we created under health is not showing. Do you know why? The reason is that the number of posts that was set for health is 4, and this is 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have to go and set it to become 5. So to do that, you click on customize. It's loading. Please. It takes time to load. It's loading. Okay. So we are going to the health section. So click on this pencil icon. So you can see now number of posts to display 4. So you can set it to 5. So you can see that automatically this one is the last one that we posted is there already, and this one. So now I have 5. So we click on done and you click on publish. So if you want to look at our page now, let's close this. So let's click on this to see how our page looks like. So yes, we have done so well. Can you see? In just an hour, we have done so well. Can you see our page? It's looking so beautiful. Can you see? Can you see? Can you see? So I'm going to stop on these notes on this video. So in the next video, we are going to work on this header. This is what is called header. So we are going to remove some things. We're just going to add maybe like 2 or 3 menus. It's going to be there. Then these adverts. By the time your website starts getting visitors and all that, you can write to Google, and they will give you a code for Google AdSense. When you put your code, where it's supposed to be. Will show you. Google by themselves will be placing ads on your website, and you start getting paid. The number of clicks, the number of time people click on that ad, Google will pay you. It depends. So also, these are also ads. Individuals can give you ads to put on your website, like this. All these ones are ads also. We'll tell you how to do it. Then how you can edit your footer. This is the footer. So that's what we are going to be doing in the next video. Thank you very much. See you in the next video.